No, this is the path up here. We'll go off-road.
Off the beaten track a little bit, but we'll find them.
There's a second little waterfall under that tree.
Yeah, I was just watching the people coming in.
There you go, you found a waterfall. Number one waterfall.
How do we find the way back? Do we go up?
I think we go up there and it joins up with the other trail.
It does, so we
think
walk
so.
that way. Okay.
Pretty
We can
sure.
over there in case we don't know.
Yeah, we carry on up and then we basically do a hairpin to go back at ourselves on the high road.
I wonder if people come here swimming in the summer.
I don't know if it gets warm enough to swim even in the summer. It might do.
It is quite deep at where the base of the waterfall is. Like you're paddling in a waterfall, like we did in Wales. The last waterfall we saw in Wales.